This is the Cudy AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router. I am resetting it. Let's see how to configure the Cudy AC1200 router after resetting. This is an ONU. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the ONU to the router. Now go to your phone. My phone is already connected to another Wi-Fi, so I am disconnecting it. This is Cudy router device. Now enter the Wi-Fi password from the back of the router. After the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, go to the internet browser. Search cudy.net. Enter admin password. Select wireless router and tap next. If you have ISP connection, then select PPPO connection type. Now you need to enter username and password, which is given by internet service provider. Now you can change the name and password of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi if you want. Tap Next. Tap Save and Apply and your Cudy router will be fully configured. After the configuration is complete, the phone will disconnect from Wi-Fi. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi using the new Wi-Fi password you created. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you can now browse the internet.